Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explore. My name is Usman and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this type of barbecue grill by using your CNC plasma cutting machine or CNC laser cutting machine. If you want to know how I have made this barbecue grill in SolidWorks, I have another video on that topic. I will leave the link to that video in the description, so you can watch that video to learn how you can make or design this type of barbecue grill in SolidWorks. And if you want to download all these SolidWorks files and along with the DXF files for CNC cutting, then I will leave the download link in the description. और अगर ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाह रहे हैं तो उसका लिंक इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. First of all, let me show you a very important thing. For example, if I open this base in a separate window, and here you can see this is the base, and let me flatten this sheet. So basically you will get the DXF file of this kind, and when you cut your sheet by using your CNC plasma or laser, you will also get these type of tiny cuts. One cut here and one cut here on this side. So basically these are the marks for the bending. Okay, first of all, these are the legs, and first of all we have to bend them on 90-degree angle. These are the legs, and you can see these marks. Let me flatten this part. So this is one mark, and here is the another mark. So you will have to bend like this at 90-degree. So here I'm going to bend all four legs at once. See, it's very easy and simple. Now these are the sides, and there is only one bend. This is one side and this is the another side, and here if you can see there is only one bend. Let me show you in a separate window. So here is the side of the barbecue grill, and we have to bend it from here. First of all, we have to align them. So it depends on you how you align on your press machine. This is how you can see. Now this is the grill. So here is the grill, if you can see this one. Let me open it in a separate window. See, these are three spots on each side of this grill. So if I make it flatten, you can see we have to make both these edges aligned on our press machine to bend them at 90-degree angle. Similarly, we have to align the grill on our press machine, and then we have to bend it accordingly. So finally here is the base sheet, and you can see the bending marks on it. There are four bends on the base, and we have to be careful about the direction of the bends. Okay, here I have all the parts which I have bent them, and now I'm going to weld them together. So see, first of all I'm going to weld the sides. The material thickness of this sheet is 1.6 mm, or we can also say 16 SWG, I mean standard wire gauge, 16 after attaching both these sides, I'm going to attach the legs. So finally our barbecue grill is ready, and I hope you have enjoyed and learned from this video. If you found this video useful, then please consider subscribing this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and sparing time.